This little girl was shoving toilet paper in her mouth because she's always making strange noises that she can't control. In the classroom, she tried to cover her mouth, but she couldn't help it. The students laughed. The teacher thought she was being disruptive. She was expelled from 12 schools in a row. The girl had a rare disease called Tourette syndrome. It caused her to make strange noises. The father thought Anna had to go to a special school for her condition, but the mother thought her child was normal. She can't be treated differently. The father was completely disillusioned with Anna, but her mother never gave up on her. She took her to a new school, and it was here that Anna met the man who would change her life. It was the opening ceremony of the school, but off stage, Anna was making uncontrollable noises. Someone kept telling her to be quiet. At the end of the performance, the principal came on stage.
आप में से किसी ने कुछ अजीब सी आवाजें सुनी? जो कोई भी ये आवाजें कर रहा था वो यहाँ स्टेज पर आए.
Anna realized that she might not be able to stay at this school much longer. When she came on stage, the principal began to question Anna seriously.
ये हिचकियाँ निकालना बंद करो प्लीज.